Listen for adverbs. Look at the underlined words in the following sentences. He goes to his school regularly. Regularly is an adverb. We really enjoyed our picnic. Her picnic is a really adverb. Some students are playing in the field. Adverb in the field. Come and meet us next week. Next week adverb. Do you often visit your garden? Grandma. Often is adverb. Yes, I do. I visit her frequently. Frequently is an adverb. Can you please supply us with milk daily? Daily is adverb. No, madam, I can give you milk only twice a week. Twice a week is adverb. Those are all adverbs. Can you guess what words may modify? Adverbs usually modify verbs, but they often modify adjectives, nouns, and other adverbs and whole phrases or sentences. সাধারণত অ্যাডভার্ব ভার্বকে মডিফাই করে, কিন্তু অ্যাডভার্বকে মডিফাই করতে পারে, নাউনকে করতে পারে এবং অ্যাডজেক্টিভকেও করে, মাঝে মাঝে ফ্রেজ বা সেন্টেন্সকেও করে। যেমন সিট কুইকলি, এখানে টু মডিফাই a verb sit. Sat was rather quit. To modify an adjective, quit. What event seems to go by incredibly slowly. To modify another verb slowly. It takes quite a lot of courage to jump from a plane. To modify a noun phrase, a lot of courage. I'm going for a noun later, so I did not want to run anything now. To modify the words close, I'm going for a noun. Personally, I did not like the plan. To modify the whole sentences, I don't like the plan. An adverb comes after a verb. It is usually a word, what sometimes a group of words modifies a verb. Then the group is called a adverbial phrase. An adverb or adverbial phrase that modifies a verb is called an adverbial. Rakib looked at his friends nervously after he had lost his admit card. As nervously had the underlined words describe how something has happened. What is the adverbial of manner? The toy was lying on the table. Here the item describes where something was. It is an adverbial of face. They visited their hometown last month. The underlined items tell when someone happens. It is an adverbial of time.